Friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you about the lesson The Human Eye in the Colorful World. Chapter 6. This is physics. Let's go back to the subject. The human eye. The main parts of the human eye are cornea, iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, eye lens, retina, and optic nerve. The eyeball is approximately in spherical shape, having a diameter about 2.5 centimeters. They might ask you this question: what is the diameter of the human eye for 1 mark in board exams? It is 2.5 centimeters. We will now describe the construction of the human eye. Construction of the human eye. The front part of the eye is called cornea. The front part of the eye, this part, is called cornea. The outer surface of cornea is in convex shape. The light coming from the objects enter through cornea. Just behind cornea is the iris. Iris is a flat colored ring-shaped membrane behind the cornea of the eye. As we can see here, these little tiny blue colored things are called iris. These are just behind the cornea. Behind the cornea of the eye, there is a hole in the middle of the iris, which is called pupil of the eye. As you guys can see here, there is a bit space in the middle of these two iris. This space is called the pupil. The pupil appears to be black because no light is reflected from it. The pupil appears to be black because the light entering from the cornea hits the pupil, but it is not reflected back, so it appears to be black in the middle of the two iris. The eye lens is a convex lens made of transparent, soft and flexible material like a jelly made of proteins. Here you can see a small bulge-like structure. This is called the eye lens. It is made of jelly-like substance which is made from protein. Being flexible, the eye lens can change its shape. It can be thin, it can become thin or thick to focus light onto the retina. This eye lens can become fat or thin, which help to control the light entering into the eye. The eye lens helps. The eye lens is held in position by suspensory ligaments. One end of suspensory ligaments is attached to the eye lens and their other end is attached to the ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles can change the thickness of eye lens while focusing. These small structures, as you guys can see, I'm going to zoom it in. The small little structures present right over here are called suspensory ligaments, or these can be even called as ciliary muscles. They help in contracting and deflating of the ciliary muscles, help in changing the shape of the eye lens. Okay. The screen on which the image is formed in the eye is called retina. As you guys can see here, there is a small screen-like structure which is called the retina. At the junction of the optic nerve and retina in the eye, there are no light sensitive cells, due to which no vision is possible at that spot. This spot can be also called as blind spot. You can see a small spot like structure there. This spot is called the blind spot. Actually, there are no rods or cones, due to which there is no possibility of vision at that spot. This is why it is called as the blind spot. Working of the eye. We'll discuss about working of the eye in the next video. Thank you.